Second day here in Jordan, and we're doing some housing errands. We're moving my aunt's couch from her house onto this pickup truck right here. That orange couch. And then after, we're gonna go to my house. We're gonna go do some appliance shopping. Here's my mom right here. I want to say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yep. But yeah, we're doing errands today. We're moving a bunch of couches, and then we're gonna go to our apartment and clean it up. And I'm gonna take you guys with us on this journey. See, I'm telling you guys, this Jordan trip is not a tourism trip. I'm showing you guys what it's like to live in a local's perspective.
Suddenly everybody wants to be a tourist
In Jordan. Tourism in Jordan. By the way, this is my brother Mazen. And tourism in Jordan's went up 270%. The Russians are here, the Europeans are here, everyone is here now in Jordan. But yeah, I'm about to carry this next couch, so we're gonna edit out this section. So I'm on my way back to my grandma's house. We just loaded up this big truck. And we're gonna unload it, and then we're gonna start doing some appliance shopping. Hi guys, so right now we are shopping for mattresses and beds, and we're currently picking out the sizes and the colors. Right now I'm trying to pick out the color right here. I think I'm gonna go with La. Hassan is sleeping. He's out like a light. But yeah, we're picking out a mattress and picking out the colors
for the apartment.
The colors, yeah, for our apartment. Right now we're gonna go with these what kind of mattress is that?
Royal Rest.
Royal Rest. We're gonna get 130 centimeter length, 2 meter width. We're gonna stick them together so we could share a room.
Instead of getting one big bed, get two.
Yeah.
Put them together.
Yep.
So if we need to split them apart.
Split them apart. Or if you come by yourself, or if I come by myself, we get a big bed. But everyone, leave a like. Leave a like for Hassan. Alright, I'm gonna probably get this mattress right here with this headboard. Right now they're just kind of negotiating the price and getting all the details sorted. It says that it'll take like a couple days and it gets like delivered to our house, so hopefully by then I'll be sleeping on my own bed in my own house. I don't have to sleep at my grandma's anymore. But it looks like we're just finishing out right now, so we're gonna head out. So yeah. Hassan. So yeah, this store right here, Richmond Sleeping Products. If you're in Amman, Jordan, and you're moving out here and you need to get a mattress, you check this place out right here. Do you recommend this place?
I do.
You do? So, okay, my mom likes, so far so good, my mom approves this place. Richmond Sleeper Products here in Amman, Jordan. Looks like we're gonna get some mattresses from here. We're gonna place an order. They said it would take a couple days. By the way, the Ringo chips make a comeback. If you're in Amman, Jordan, make sure to try out the Ringo chips. It's a local favorite. 10 cents. We don't get chips this cheap back home. Are you excited? Are you excited to get new mattresses? Are you excited? We're gonna make a transformation video of our apartment. We're gonna have like...
Oh, that's gonna be nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be like...
That's gonna be nice.
We're gonna show you guys the whole process of how we furnish an apartment. 15, and we're gonna have dinner kind of earlier today.
Y'all don't know about Mukhiyya, bro.
Yeah, you guys don't know. You don't know about Mukhiyya. How would you explain to them Mukhiyya?
Exquisite.
Exquisite, sure, but we'll show you guys when I get home. Jordan.
It's good.
Very fun.
جد تحكي ما يسمع
Okay, we were talking about.
كنت بكشر في
This is the makhiyah.
ف
Okra leaves, rice.
احمر اجى شو بحكي كيلو على الاخر خليها على الابيض حكيت له لا مين حكى؟ قلت لي خرع ما حكى
So good.
هذا حكي جديد استنى ها احكي له شو خرع له قلت لي مره
If you guys want a plate, leave a comment. I'll sell you one for 25 Jordanian dinars.
بطيخة بتموت